The University of Science and Technology Meghalaya organized a workshop on career opportunities in the context of NEP 2020. The event was attended by key academic leaders including USTM Chancellor Mahbubul Hoque, Vice Chancellor Professor Sharma and Professor Shyamal from Tripura University. Speaking at the event, University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Chancellor Mahbubul Hoque announced that high-achieving students would be offered diverse academic and career opportunities at the university. He highlighted that the institution offers a wide range of academic disciplines with the sole exception of agricultural courses. Additionally, he emphasized that robust scholarship schemes are available to support meritorious students in pursuing their higher education.
Among 200 best universities of the country by NIRF, Government of India. The special feature of the university is that we have more number of girl students than the boys, more number of women's faculty, and students from all over the northeastern region and some students from the other states also outside the northeast. We are here for a special purpose to reach out to the poor, meritorious students who have a desire to join institutions like USTM. And that's why this is our fourth number of the states as we personally visited and taken the support from the media houses, because it is not possible to reach out to every institution, every students who are from very, very far areas. But nowadays, because of social media and strong media communication, that easy to reach to them. So I am very grateful to all the media houses that you have shown a very good representation, and very large number of media houses today you have responded on our invitation within a short notice. So we are very grateful to you. We are also interested to invite you physically to visit our university, as it is very near to the Guwahati. From the Guwahati International Airport, it is only 32 kilometers. So we will also be inviting you so that you can visit physically and see the infrastructure. The university comprises of all the departments, including MBBS, Ayurveda, pharmacy, law, education, engineering, and all the statutory programs except agriculture. We have all the programs, all the basic sciences programs, and very strong profile of guiding the students and getting the success for the various competitive examination, and especially for the NET, National Eligibility Test for the lecturership, you are all knowing.
Reported by Amit from Agatla, Chini, Khorang.